Today we're making ranch seasoning mix to have on hand in our pantry. Rebel Canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. For your ranch seasoning mix, let's gather our ingredients. 4 tablespoons of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of salt. I prefer the pink Himalayan sea salt. 1 teaspoon garlic powder. 1 teaspoon fresh ground black pepper. 2 tablespoons of dried parsley. 1 teaspoon dehydrated chives. 1 teaspoon dried dill weed. 1 teaspoon white granulated sugar. 1/2 tablespoon arrowroot powder. Mix well and store in a dry, cool place. Okay, let's turn our seasoning mix into some delicious ranch dip. Start with 1 cup of sour cream and mix in 1 tablespoon of the ranch seasoning mix thoroughly. I want to take a moment before I show you how to use the seasoning mix to ask you to please subscribe. 71% of my viewers aren't subscribed, and if you could subscribe, it would really help my channel out. Thank you. If you want to turn the seasoning mix into ranch dressing, it's really easy. You need to start with 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. Add 1/4 cup of buttermilk. And 1/4 cup of sour cream. Blend this together with 1/4 teaspoon of ranch seasoning mix, and there you have it, ranch dressing. If you like this recipe, I have a whole playlist of seasoning mixes that you can make for yourself at home in your pantry.